Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget to subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing this Vision wheel and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. Check this one out. This is the Vision Rally. This one comes in a 15x7 positive 6 offset and in the bolt pattern 50120.65. This is in a silver finish. They call it gunmetal, but the part number on this, it's 55-5761. Okay, so this wheel, they come regularly just one color on the wheel, so it just gives you without the beauty ring and the rally center cap. So I'll showcase it to you in the raw and then with all the accessories that you can add on to it. So this is your wheel. It's just a regular rally wheel in the silver finish, what they call a gunmetal. It's like a gunmetal. So it's just plain Jane, simple, clean steel wheel. They have like I'll show you once it's already on and all the parts that you need for this wheel. So this is the derby cap that Vision provides. So this is the cap that it's a push-on cap, okay? And then here, I'll flip this around so that way you guys can see if you want to get closer. And then also you get your beauty ring. So the part number, guys, I think they have it for the derby cap is JC5023V, and that's for that derby cap. And then you add the beauty ring on it, which is part number 2533V. This is the ring that you'll be able to put on inserted. So it'll just go like that. And wherever the valve stem is at, so it'll go just like that so you guys can see. So once it's all dressed up, the beauty ring and the derby cap, I'll showcase it for you guys. Here you go. I already put one together so you guys have an idea. So it just look like that. So clean, simple. I think it looks great for any classic vehicle that's looking for this old school look. Let me give you the lip size on this. So it's probably more or less here. Give me a sec. You're looking at from the face to the edge of the barrel, I think close to like 3 inches. There you have it. So good looking style. I think if you guys are having a classic look that you guys want to do this type of derby cap with a steel beauty ring around it, check out this Vision Rally and then let us know. Feel free to give us a call at Tires Wheels Direct. Thank you guys.